Hello, lovely knitters. Welcome back to the channel. Grab your coffee and your wipes because I have some absolutely incredible news to share today. It is not often that something like this happens in our community. I recently discovered that the amazingly talented Norwegian designer Helene Rønquist Knutsen, known on Ravelry as Quist Knits, has made a massive, generous decision. She has decided to make her entire portfolio of paid patterns completely free for everyone. We are talking about 60 high-quality, stunning knitting patterns that are now available to you at zero cost. Today, we are going to dive into this treasure trove. I'm going to show you the highlights of this collection, and we are going to take a moment to appreciate the incredible effort that went into designing them. All the links are in the description box below. Let's take a look. Okay, if you love traditional Nordic knitting, prepare to swoon. The absolute heart of this collection is the sweaters. Helene's specialty is clearly stunning stranded colorwork. These designs are intricate, classic, and honestly, heirloom quality. When you look through the list, you'll see gorgeous yokes that look incredibly complex. But remember, it's just 2 colors at a time. You'll see traditional lice patterns on the bodies, beautiful steeked cardigans, and cozy pullovers perfect for cold weather. Patterns like the Alve sweater or the classic Fjellrose look like something you'd buy in a high-end boutique in Norway. And now, you can make them yourself. The charting on these is phenomenal. I noticed a really cool theme while scrolling through the 60 patterns. Helene has created a coordinated collection called the Varde series. If you love a matching set, you have hit the jackpot. There is the Varde sweater, a Varde jacket, cardigan, a Varde hat, and even a Varde skirt. It's such a cohesive look with a beautiful, bold, geometric motif. It would be such a fun long-term project to knit the entire set for a winter wardrobe. Now, maybe you aren't ready to commit to a whole colorwork sweater right now. That is totally fine because this collection is packed with incredible accessories. These are perfect for practicing your colorwork tension on a smaller scale, or for whipping up quick gifts. There are tons of gorgeous mittens, cozy cowls, and hats. The Stjernedryss hat is a personal favorite. It's a perfect introduction to Nordic star motifs. These smaller projects are just as detailed and beautiful as the big sweaters. And just to show her versatility, it's not only color work. Helene has also included some beautiful wraps and shawls that focus more on texture, lace, and drape. These are elegant, timeless pieces that are perfect for layering. It really shows the breadth of her design skill that she can move from heavy color work to delicate texture so easily. Before you rush off to download everything, I want to take a serious moment to express gratitude. As many of you know, designing knitwear is incredibly hard work. It involves complex math, grading across many sizes, test knitting, tech editing, photography, and pattern writing. A single sweater pattern can take hundreds of hours to bring to life. Helene, if you ever see this video, on behalf of knitters everywhere, thank you. Thank you for sharing your talent with us and for inspiring us with your beautiful designs. I have linked her main Ravelry page in the description box below. Please go check it out. And guys, even though the patterns are free, if you download them, please consider leaving a love note on the Ravelry projects or sending a message of thanks through the platform. Let her know her generosity is appreciated. Let me know in the comments down below. Which of these 60 patterns are you casting on first? I think I need one of those color work hats immediately. Thanks for watching, and happy knitting!